Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new money making application that is going to pay you to literally play games. I'm going to show you payment proof just like this, or even like this, guys. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money with your mobile device. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So this is the application right here, guys, and I'm going to be showing you how you can start making some free PayPal money by literally playing games. Now these games are not really hard at all. They're actually really fun and really easy to use, guys. So I'm just going to show you everything in this video with this one application so you can get started making some money just like this. So now let's get started with today's video, guys. So I recently came across this application by just scrolling the internet and looking for different money making applications, guys, and I seen payment proof on this application, so I started to use it, and I actually received payment proof as well from using this application for just playing for a couple of hours. Yes, a couple of hours, guys, so you do have to put in some effort to get some payment from this application, but it's super easy and fun to do. So whenever you have some free time, guys, just come over here to this app if you are interested in actually making some free PayPal money and start to play some games. Now all of these that you see right here is something I would highly recommend you guys not being a part of right now, because you actually have to like gamble your money to get inside like a sweepstake in order to see if you can receive the free $55, $27, or $8 in here, guys. So I'd highly recommend you guys starting off to not invest inside of this first part. So I'm going to show you a way how you can start making money with this application. So I'm not going to show you anything on this actual tab because I don't want you guys to lose your money. So I'm going to show you in the second tab right here, guys. You can see I've been having this application for just around 3 days, and I've been using it and just to make some money with it, guys. So you get a daily cash in or daily money for just coming in every single day right here. So tomorrow is going to be the 28th, or it's kind of like behind since whenever I actually downloaded the app, but tomorrow I'm going to be able to get around 8 tokens, which I'm going to show you how you can actually convert these tokens to getting some money. So here are the games right here, guys, right here in the middle where it says memory, where it says tic-tac-toe, where it says calculate right here, guys. And I'm going to show you some cool stuff inside of here in a minute. So let's just go to the memory one real quick. I'm going to show you how you can actually play the memory game, which is super easy to do, and show you how you can start making some money. So we have these two, we have those two. So let me do those two real quick right down there, and then I'm just going to get that one since I seen that as well. Now I can always get to these right here, but after this it's kind of hard to see or get the last couple of them. So let me just click on a random one real quick to see what I get. So there we go, right there. So I got a red closed one. I believe that was a red closed one right there. So let me just do this one more time. There's was the open chest. Yep, so we finished this one, and now we got some tokens, guys. That easy. How easy do you think you can just start making some money by playing games just like this, guys? So we can click on play again, and if we go back to the screen, you have 10 tries. So you can, these are your hearts. So if you fail 10 times, then you're done for that day. So you can just keep doing this over and over and over again, guys, and just start receiving 3 tokens over and over again. And I'm going to show you how much tokens is worth to like 1 cent or $1, guys, because all you need is 2 cents in order to withdraw from this application over and over and over again. So let me just keep scrolling down, and look, there's a tic-tac-toe. This one you get 15 tries to actually get keep winning that one token through 4 tokens over and over again. We even have the calculate, which is kind of difficult, to be honest. So you can even calculate like numbers like what's 5 times 5, or what's 900 divided by 3 or something, and you just got to keep going until you lose or fail, and you're just going to keep getting 4 tokens over and over again there as well, guys. Now the cool thing about this is that you actually get these treasure chests down here at the bottom, which is like an extra boost that's going to give you anywhere. Some of them I've seen that gives anywhere between 1 to like 10 tokens, and if you can just keep adding these up, guys, and then just start to unlock them as time goes on, so you can just get some extra tokens. Now you might be asking, Edward, how much are these tokens worth, or how do I actually just convert them to get my money? Well, that's going to be in the next tab right here at the bottom. So let's go to the third tab down here at the bottom, guys. Now this one you can convert. So it says 119 tokens is going to be worth 1 cent. So it's super easy to get these tokens, guys. Look, 2 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents, and from the same person. Look at that, 2 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents, 2 cents. How insane is that, guys? You can possibly be that person just getting 2 cents over and over again. Look, now since I went back, now more people just came in and started withdrawing some money from this actual application itself. So that can be you guys. You just gotta play these games, these easy, simple games, convert them from tokens to money, and then withdraw that money inside of your PayPal account. So now the next tab is gonna be right here, like a leaderboard in a way, so you can see how much people are making with this applications weekly and daily, guys. So if you're interested in actually joining in and being a part of this application to start making some free PayPal money, well, I'm gonna leave the links down in the description of this video so you can get started right away making some money with this brand new money making application. And on top of that, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.